Hello and welcome to this ultimate guide to becoming an exceptional student. We are going to discuss 7 key qualities to succeed. Are you looking to become an exceptional student? Look no further. Here are those 7 key qualities that will help you succeed. First, organization. Keeping your assignments, notes and schedule in order will save you time and stress. Second, time management. Plan your study sessions and prioritize your tasks to make the most of your valuable time. Third, dedication. Show up to class prepared and ready to learn. Stay focused and give your best in every subject. Fourth, curiosity. Ask questions, seek knowledge, take an active role in your education. Fifth, critical thinking. Analyze information, form your own opinions, and develop problem solving skills. Sixth, resilience. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and persevere through obstacles. Finally, collaboration. Work well with others, listen to different perspectives, agree to disagree, and contribute positively to group projects. Remember, becoming an exceptional student takes time and effort, but with these qualities, success is within your reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.